Meaning of forced labor.
Forced labor.
Forced labor.
Forced labor.
Forced labor. Forced labor refers to work or service that is exacted from a person under threat of force or penalty and for which the person has not offered themselves voluntarily. This can include situations where individuals are coerced, deceived, or abused to provide labor services against their will. The result of forced labor can cause physical, emotional, and mental harm to the individual, as well as economic and social consequences for communities and society as a whole. It is a violation of human rights and is considered a form of modern-day slavery.